Call me up. Call me up.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yasmin, and we are going to talk about the It bag right now. If you don't know, it is Coach, the Quilted Tabby. Coach's rebrand is just great. It's magnificent. I don't know what else to say, but Coach has been doing their thing with the bags right now. And I want to say, I believe it started with maybe the Pillow Tabby. It could be something before then, but I think that's when I got hit was the Pillow Tabby. But right now, Coach has this amazing bag called the Quilted Tabby, and it is, people are calling it like the Chanel dupe. I don't know, but I got it. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. At first, I was like, I'm not gonna get it right now. But then the girl sold out. She sold out. So then I signed up for the wait list. She came back and I got it again. Well, I got it. And then when I got it, they was like, oh, this bag sold out, but it'll be shipped later than what they originally told me. So I'm like, this bag must be the It bag. Glad I got my hands on it. Let me show you. So I'm a golden girl. As you can see, I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. So they have the bags in different hardware. They have one with gold hardware, silver hardware, and I thought I saw one with like a charcoal type hardware. But of course, I had to get black and gold classic, and she is beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know. Okay, so she's beautiful. Look at her. She is very soft, very leathery. It's a very soft, like good leather. And let's see. This is Napa leather, so it's a very soft leather. And I will say because it's soft, it is easily scratched. Like it could be easily scratched, but not too bad. Like if you're rough on her, you should be okay. But I will say that it's gonna get softer as the time goes on. It's very pillowy, not as pillowy as the Pillow Tabby, but it's very, very soft. So this is her in the front. She comes with this gorgeous golden C, and she has a double strap that you could make into one strap if you want. This is the 26. This bag comes in three sizes, so a 20, a 26, and a 33. So 26 is the medium size bag, which I think is the perfect size. The 33 is a little bit too big for me, but this is perfect. And honestly, I was surprised at how roomy, how much space this bag has in the inside and the outside. So in the back, there is a magnetic clip in the back, and you have this inside. Since I've been carrying this bag, this is kind of where I just like stuff my phone. But it is a lot of room in here. If you can see, I was very surprised. And then also, let's open her up. So it comes with just a little button here where you just clasp. Nothing fancy. So that's cute. So we open her up, and these are her compartments. So she has one here, a zipper part in the middle, and then another compartment here. And I was pleasantly surprised about how much stuff I could fit in here. So my phone goes in the back. I carry a card case. So my card case is very simple. So my card case goes in here. One of these sections. I kind of just throw stuff in here. I don't have a designated place for it. Also, she has another pocket in the front here. So you can open this flap up and something else can go in here. So that is 4 compartments. You have 1, 2, actually 5, 3, 4, and then the one on the back is 5. So I don't really put anything in the flap at the front, but this is how much space is in it. And then this zipper, this is probably where I should be putting my wallet, my card case. But yeah, she's very spacious. She's very roomy. I love her. If you're comparing her to the Pillow Tabby, so I have the Pillow Tabby. This is the 20. It's very small, as you can see. So I carry this bag when I am just going out for like dinner or something, because not a lot can fit in here. I have the strap in here. So this bag is 2 compartments, and it's just 1 and 2. and this is the size 20. So it's very small, something that I would just like carry to dinner. So if you're comparing the two side by side, the 20 versus the 26, this is what that looks like. But yeah, I still love my pillow Tabby. She's great. This girl, I think I carry her casually. I love carrying her with jeans, styling with like jeans and a blazer or some trousers and a blazer. Of course, we can dress her up because she's black, she's leather, she has gold, so we can dress her up. But so far lately, I have been carrying her casually with just like some jeans, a loafer, and a blazer, or sometimes even like some leggings and some my dad sneakers and like a blazer. So she's cute for dressing up and dressing down. I think what I like most about this bag is that it comes in so many colors. I'm a very minimal, neutral, basic girl, so I'm always going to stick with a solid black or a cream. I think if I could find her in like a brown, not a tan, but like a dark brown, maybe I would consider that because that's one color I don't have in my wardrobe. But the colors that I've seen so far, I think I've seen purple, pink. I even saw a denim one. I saw a denim one the other day. It comes in green. I think I saw like a lime green one. So they have some fun colors for the spring. If you're looking for like a new it bag for the spring and you want a pop of color, then definitely choose this Coach Quilted Tabby bag. I think she's great. I think she's beautiful. This 26 is priced at $5.50. And I was not on like Coach's list. So when you sign up, you get like a 10% off, which basically just takes care of the taxes, I believe. But she is $5.50 for the 26, which is a fraction of what you would pay for a Chanel bag. So if you are not wanting to spend Chanel money and this is something that you feel like will go well in your closet, you will get good use out of it, you don't want to pay thousands of dollars for a bag, then I think this is perfect for you. Like I said, I've carried her multiple times. I think I got her 2 weeks ago, and I've carried her so many times since then. I love how soft it is. I love all the compartments that they have. So the Coach Quilted Tabby, if you are looking for a new it bag for the spring, then Coach Quilted Tabby. Also, they have charms. I've seen people decorate their bags with like cute little charms on the side. Super cute. I haven't been in the store to see what the charms look like, but I plan to do that soon. But the new it bag, if you're looking for the spring, yeah, go grab her. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you are, if you're ready for spring shopping and you have like your spring wardrobe all together, I think this will be a good addition. I think she's classic. You can't go wrong with this. I think she'll stand the test of time. Coach is doing an amazing job, a phenomenal job with rebranding, and their bags that they've came out with, even their shoes, their loafers, are really, really good. So Coach is doing their thing right now. So thank you for watching. My name is Yasmin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Call me up.